In this video, we'll show you how to change the spark plugs on your Ford F-150. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. You can now see where the spark plugs are located. There are 4 spark plugs located on the passenger side and 4 located on the driver's side. Disconnect the power from the ignition coil. To do this, push on the tab and pull on the connector. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 7mm socket, remove the bolt holding the coil.
For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now.
You can now carefully remove the coil, making small lateral back and forward movements. Tip: we recommend using a thin plastic tube taped to the end of a vacuum to properly clean around the spark plug. This prevents the dirt from falling into the motor. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 9/16" spark plug socket, loosen the spark plug. Finish unscrewing by hand. Remove the spark plug. You can order the spark plugs used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Grab the new spark plug. Put the new spark plug in place by inserting it directly into the spark plug socket, which will allow you to gently bring it to the screwing support. Always start screwing by hand, then finish by fixing it in place with a ratchet. There are several techniques for tightening spark plugs. You can use a torque wrench and employ the tightening torque recommended by the manufacturer. Or you can use an angular torch gauge to respect the recommended angle. Put the coil back. Then screw the retaining bolt back on using the ratchet. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Plug the electrical connector back in. Now you can repeat the same process on the other spark plugs. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right.